What if I told you you could create a professional 2D animation video in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee? And you don't even need drawing skills. Today I'll show you exactly how to use AI to make stunning animations that will blow people's minds, even if you're a complete beginner. To create 2D animation case story ideas, we have landed on the page app.gravity.com/content/new. There is written 2D animation case story ideas. Here we have to enter the topic or theme we want to produce the ideas for the story. So as an example, I like here a fantasy or thrill, whatever you want, and click create content. Within some seconds there are several story ideas for kids, and we can see the top 10 story ideas for kids. First of all, we have to read all the ideas and choose whatever we have like and whatever we want to make the story on. So as an example, I like the number 3, the unicorn host horn. A clumsy unicorn loses her horn during a game and must journey through the whispering woods with her forest friends to find it before the full moon. I think this would be a great story, so we select this. After choosing this story, we have to copy the story idea and let's click the back button. Okay. In the back button, we have to search for the kids animation story maker. So here I found 2D animation and click the sentence 2D animation, and we have to create this story. So we click 2D animation story generator. Then we paste the topic or ideas that we create from the previous part 2D animation. And here is an optional that how many characters we will need. Okay, then simply create content. We can see within a few seconds here the story, all the story have. Just wait a bit and the full story will be generated very soon. So here we have the entire story and we have to just copy them from it. After generating the story, let's move the next part of the video, that is image generation. From the left sidebar, we have to click AI image generator and story image creator. Here we have to create a new storybook, and here we have to paste the story that we copied and our title. So we like to, the title is like the dragon's fire. Then create image descriptions. Just wait a little bit here and we see the full images for this story step by step. So we got the full storybook image creator from the image. Okay, then here you can see we have total 10 shot for our 10 scenery of the story. So as an example, we can create the first image, generate image. Within a few seconds we see the image that we should use or we have to use for our story. Nice, amazing. You can download it from here. Just press the download and the download started here. But we don't only need the one picture, we need the all. But before that we have some settings here. Okay, the story title, the aspect ratio, we want the, in the free version you only get 1:1 square. If we have the premium version, we have the 16:9 widescreen ratio. Okay, then the image style, we can select the image style from here. The default is Disney Pixar, then animated fairy you can use, anime magma, but I like the Disney Pixar. Okay, and the number of images, that means for one slice or for one shot we how many images we want. Okay, as this is the free version, we have some limitations, but after the premium one we don't have any limitations. We can create all the images, but for this we have to create one by one. Okay, the free version is only take the 2 images. Nothing worry, don't worry, we have another option for creating the images. Okay, we have Leonardo, we have ideogram and other tools, so that we can create the animations. For that we have to just copy, then Luna gallop playfully, but okay, we just copy that and go to leonardo.ai, launch app, and here we have to sign in. Okay, so here the email, and we get into the account. Okay, if you don't have any account, just sign up with the email. Okay, no worry for this. Then from the left sidebar we have to click the image section, and here we paste our command or prompt. The galloping playfully but clumsy, throwing meaningful. Okay, medium, short. Okay, image style you can select from here: cinematic, minimalist, fashion, portrait, sketch, vibrant, 3D render you can select. Okay, then generate. After a few seconds we have our first image, and then like that we have to generate all the images for a story. Okay, there it is. We have the 4 variations and we can download all the versions. Then we have to select later which one should we use. Okay, then back to our then copy, or we can download it. Okay, then copy our next part and paste the command here, generate. So here are the pictures. We can download it from here and then go for the third prompt, that is number 4, and click generate. See one thing, we can select the ratio from here 16:9 for free, but as we got the first 2 command in 1:1 ratio, so I like to hear all the images 1:1 so that all look like similar. Okay, download all the images, then number 5, paste the command, generate. Wow, amazing, I like the images. Okay, then copy the number 6 prompt, paste it here and generate. Cool. Download all the images. Repeat the task for every command. Number 7, copy the command and paste in the session, then click to generate. There is a limitation for one account. We have some limited credits like 150 credits, and each 4 image generations we have lost 24 credit. So if we want to the next versions or the next pictures, we have to log in the another Leonardo AI account. Okay, download all this. Done. For now we have the limited images and the story for making the storybooks or the 2D animation kits. So let's move to the second part. After generating the images, now we have to turn them into video part. From image to video. For that we have an account on Helio AI. For that we have to sign up for this account. Just continue with Google. select the Google account and continue. That's it. We log into the account. Create the videos from the images. We have to click the image from the left sidebar. Then here we have to select our image. Okay. Go to the download section and drag the image here. Now we have the story for the image. So for the story, that is not enough. We have the elaborate story. For that, we go to the gravity right, and from the 2D animation section, we have to click 2D video prompt generator and paste the entire story we have copied. Okay, here is the image prompt. We paste it and create content. Then paste our video prompt here and let's create the video. We paste the prompt for the video from this image and here click on the credit. And creating our video, within a few moments we have the video. After having the video from the image, we have to add the text to that video so that the story will have the final look. So for the story narration or speech, we go to 11labs.io and paste here the script or the story we want to tell from them. Here are the different voices we can choose. Okay, the allies. Okay, these are the demo sound. Okay, choose among them and we have to set the speed, stability, similarity, and this is extra. Okay, so we have to generate a speech. Yeah, we have generated the text and download it from here. Okay, here we got the video. Okay, then we have to download this. Let's see the video. Like that, we have to create all the videos with the images and all the voices and attach them in a video. In one video, we should use the CapCut or Canva or Clipchamp for the combining of the video, images and sound, and thus we will get a complete kids story video. See, you don't need to be a Disney animator to create something amazing. AI just made it possible for anyone. Now it's your turn to wow the world with your animations. Now, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI magic, and start creating your first mind-blowing 2D animation today. The only limit is your imagination.